Sometimes interesting things happen that you're not expecting. I opened up my Ally account this month, my Ally Invest account, because each month I do a dividend update. And so as we get further into the month, I looked to see what dividends I have collected. And as I was looking at my list, I noticed a new holding, VTRS, VTRS Incorporated. Now, I have never bought this position, but somehow I have 4 shares of it. And I thought, well, this is really strange because I don't know where it came from. So I got in and I looked at my activity. And when I look at it, it says cash movement, quantity 4, VTRS, amount 0. So I thought, well, that's kind of weird. So what exactly is going on? So before I called Ally, because I was getting ready to, I thought, I'm going to go online and see if this is a phenomenon that's happening to other people. So here's what I found, you guys. This is from Market Realist page. And it says, you can't remember purchasing VTRS stock, but it showed up in your account. Don't worry, many investors on forums like Reddit are talking about random VTRS stocks in their accounts, so you're not alone. VTRS stock showing up in your account isn't a mistake on your part or that of your broker. So why do I have this stock in my account? All right, so in July 2019, pharmaceutical company Mylan announced a deal to merge with the division of Pfizer called Upjohn. The transaction closed on November 16th and resulted in several changes. The merger of Mylan and Pfizer's unit Upjohn formed a new global drug company called Viatris. Viatris has a staff of 45,000 people globally, restructuring, Okay, moving on. Why is VTRS stock in my account? As a result of the merger, Mylan stock transformed into Viatris stock, which trades under the ticker symbol VTRS on the NASDAQ. If you see VTRS stock in your account, chances are you owned Mylan shares. You guys, I never owned any Mylan shares, so what if you have it and you didn't own Mylan stock? Pfizer shareholders received a stake in Viatris because Pfizer's unit Upjohn is part of the transaction. Pfizer investors received 0.12 shares of Viatris for every 1 share of Pfizer held, which works out to be 12 Viatris shares for every 100 Pfizer shares. Therefore, you may see VTRS stock in your account if you own Pfizer shares. Pfizer shareholders will own 57% of Viatris. So that's my answer, you guys. Because I own, as you can see, I own 35 shares of Pfizer, I got 4 free shares of Viatris. Now, I decided to look into what kind of drugs Viatris makes, and they've got some famous ones. They've got cardiac meds, they've got some anti-anxiety, depression meds, and the like. So basically, Mylan was a European drug corporation that merged with a division of Pfizer and created Viatris. And because of the merger, they had a stock split that created an option for me to get some free shares. Didn't have to do anything, and I got, as you can see, $68.50 worth of free shares. So not too shabby. Anyway, you guys, just thought I'd say, how many of you out there hold Pfizer and got some shares from this deal? If you did, let me know in the comments. Do you think it's a good idea, companies doing this kind of thing? I certainly feel like it's a freebie and feel fortunate to have been one who received some. But anyway, let me know what you think. All right, you guys, I hope you got something out of this. If you did, do me a favor. Drop me a like. Really helps the algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, you know the deal. Hit the red button, ring the bell, subscribe to the channel. All right, you guys, thanks a lot. We'll see ya.